Hi. I had a bit of an issue recently. My car wouldn't start in the mornings. Anyway, I had to take it for repairs, and they did this diagnostic test, and they discovered that something was draining the power from the battery. Now, just to have this process of elimination, they decided to disconnect the radio from the car. They decided to disconnect the radio, which means that for a week I had to drive around without my radio, without music, without the radio. Now, for me, that was a bit of a problem because I love the radio. I love to listen to the radio, especially when I'm coming back from work. There's a particular station I listen to that really inspires and motivates me. Anyway, my question was, how was I going to survive? I was talking to my friend. I said to her, do you know what? I know there are some phones that have radios. Do you think my phone would have a radio? So I showed my phone to my wife. Do you think this phone would have a radio on it? And she laughed and says, of all phones, that phone of yours would not have radios because it's kind of cheap. Anyway, I decided not to believe her, and I went back and I tried mess around with the phone. And you know what? It had radios on it. Not just that, it had all the radio stations that I love to listen to. The one I love to listen to in the morning, the one I love to listen to when I'm driving around in the afternoons, and the one I love to listen to when I'm driving back from work in the evenings. So which means that I didn't lose the listening ability in my car. Anyway, temporarily, that I would have lost. Now, the question to you is this. How many abilities do you have but you've not discovered? I didn't know my phone could do that. I had no idea. How many abilities do you have or do I have that we've not discovered yet? Sometimes we have to go through stuff to know how strong we are, or to know the kind of potentials that we have, or to know the kind of abilities or strengths that are hidden within us, but we've decided to hide and live where they are. Sometimes we have to go through issues and then our true abilities come to surface. But you know those who actually live life to the fullest? These are the people who will bring out the best in themselves even before they go through struggles. I want you to spend a few days to re-examine yourself, look at yourself, and look at those hidden treasures, those hidden abilities that are within you. Bring them to the surface, and you'll be surprised about the things that you can do with your life. Have a fantastic week. I hope you think about that, and I'll talk to you next week. Thank you.